Hello guys, welcome to another interesting video. A client brought this LG TV to my office, and he said that the TV is not showing pictures, it's not showing light, that the TV only brings out the sound. So there is sound, but there is no light and there is no picture. Okay, so these stripes of LED lights are the one responsible for the display light on this TV. Okay, and from here you can see a technician already modified the lights before. Okay, he already modified it. You can see two LED lights were jumpered right from this side. So we are going to test this backlight and see what the problem is. So we have the LED TV backlight tester. So this tester is going to be helping us, and it has probe. It has the black probe and the red probe, so which we are going to be using, and we are going to be testing the LED stripes to see which one is bad. Okay, so I've plugged in my LED tester right now, and I'm going to be showing you how to test it. So there's a positive terminal on each connections. From this side, I'm removing this side right here, so that's where the connection from the PCB goes in. That's where the power supplies to the stripes. So we are going to be using our LED tester. Okay, use the red probe on the positive terminal. It is already marked on that stripe where the positive is and where the negative is, so we are going to test it. I'm testing this stripe, but now the first one is not lighting up at all. That means this one is extremely bad, the first one I tested. Now let's test the second stripe. Most TV has more than 2 stripes depending on the inches. Okay, so this one is working properly, but it's also showing, you see one of the bulbs right there is very dim. So okay, and it's brightening up now. So that means this stripe, the downside stripe, is working, and the upper one is not working. So let me test it again so that you guys will see. All right, all the lights are on, as you can see. Putting my probes, all the lights are on, but I'm suspecting one of this bulb right here, the last one, that one is getting dim, if you notice that. Okay, so the first one is very bad. So what I'm going to do is to test the bulb one after the other. Okay, the LED lights on that first stripe that is bad, one after the other, to see the one that is not working. So you can see this one is not working, the first one is not working, the second one is working. Okay, this second one is fine. Let's test it again. Yeah, the second one is fine, the third one is fine. All right, the thing is, if one of the lights on the stripe is bad, it's going to affect all the stripes. That's how the LED light works. It's going to affect all the stripes. So the best option for us now, guys, is to replace the old stripes, because it looks so old. And guys, let's do the right thing. So to do the right thing, we need to replace the LED light, and I've replaced both stripes, as you can see, and it's working properly. Guys, it's working properly. So if you have this type of issue, all you need to do is to replace the lights. But if your customer doesn't have much money, you can just bridge the bad one, and all other lights will be fine. So now let's switch on the TV and let's see if it's gonna be fine, because I've coupled the TV now, and let's see if it's fine. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing tips and tricks on TV repairs. And we have picture, we have lights, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.